Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. Guess what I have today? I have a nice little delicious treat. We got our BlackOut Baking Company cookies today. They came in this box. They're gourmet cookies and they're so delicious. And we get the cookie of the month and we're going to find out what it is today. While I'm getting this ready, how is everybody? Have you had a great day? I want to welcome each and every one of you, and if you're new, well, welcome. And if you haven't checked out some of my other videos, I do have a giveaway going on for my subscribers, my current subscribers and any new ones. All you got to do is go watch that video and follow the rules. There's a code word and some ratings to do, and you'll have a chance to win the giveaway. But right now we're going to talk about delicious cookies from the BlackOut Baking Company. And these are some of the samples that you can get from them. They have like these double chocolate. These are some special almond ones here, I believe. And then I had some lemon cream. Oh my goodness, they were so divine. It says, thank you for your order. You're awesome for supporting us. And they are out of Illinois. And I learned about these from Celebrate State. So that's how I first learned about the BlackOut Baking Company and their delicious cookies. And in that box they had strawberry shortcake, and well, those were just as divine as the lemon. Let's find out what this month's cookie of the month is. You can go to blackoutbakingcompany.com. She always has it wrapped up here with a little bit of the black crunchy shredded papers. And then we have the black paper, and I have changed my order. I am now getting the medium size box, which has 12 to 24 cookies, and we're going to see what our cookie of the month is. She puts it right here on the side, and we'll both see at the same time. Looks like we have brown butter toffee cookie. Ooh, that sounds good, from the BlackOut Baking Company. She always has a ribbon. We gotta open it up here. I gotta figure out which way to go with it. A small box of cookies is usually around $9 or $10, and the medium is around $19 to $20. But I have subscribed for a year, so I get my medium box for $17 a box. Plus shipping, and it looks like we're going to have 24 delicious cookies in here. So I can't wait to try it out. Looks like it's been drizzled with some chocolate on top. The shipping is $10, so no matter if you get one or if you get, I don't know how many ever cookies. You can order cookies, just cookies. You don't have to subscribe to it. If you just want to order some cookies for a holiday or a special occasion, you can order, and your shipping would be $10 no matter how many cookies that you purchase. So, keep that in mind, because she has a great variety, and then of course she always has the cookie of the month. This is the brown butter toffee cookie. So see how it's all decorated? It's got the toffee on there. Let's try it out and see how it tastes. Like a toffee candy bar, only better, because it's a cookie. Guys, this is really good. So far, I have not been disappointed with any of their cookies. And I would highly, highly recommend these cookies. They're not very big, but they come with a powerful punch of taste. And so good. So, with the holidays coming up, you may be interested in the cookie of the month for November for Thanksgiving. You may be interested in just chocolate chip. She has shortbread cookies, peanut butter cookies, the dark chocolate. She has the coconut macaroons. There's quite a few. You just go and look on her site, blackoutbakingcompany.com, and see if you'd like to get any. And they're baked fresh every Tuesday. So if you order on Wednesday, your shipment will go out the next week. if you happen to order on Monday, it's possibly that your order could get baked on Tuesday and shipped out on Wednesday. So keep that in mind on your shipping. And she also, when you do, I guess, sign up or order, she'll have a date and calendar up there on what date would you like to get your cookies, and it'll show the soonest possible time and or other dates like past that if you want to wait a couple of weeks. So do keep that in mind. It's a family-owned business in Illinois. They just opened up their front, like a storefront. So they're expanding their business, and they have it online as well as a brick and mortar now. But that's all I have for this BlackOut Baking Company. That's it. When I get off here, I'm going to have to eat me a couple more because they're so delicious. Okay, guys, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.